Hello my dear students, so welcome to physics classes by Sarabdeep Kaur Sidhu. So today's our topic is the symmetry operation. So we know that what is first of all what is a crystal symmetry? What is a crystal symmetry? So what is crystal symmetry? That the definite arrangement or ordered arrangement, you can say definite ordered arrangement of faces and edges of a crystal. Faces and edges of a crystal is called crystal symmetry, and this is a very powerful tool to find the internal structure of a crystal. Crystal. So ਜਿਹੜਾ crystal है that possesses different symmetry elements, and the symmetry operation is the one that leaves the crystal and its environment invariant. Clear? That is we can say symmetry operation. ठीक है जी. And in three dimension we have these operations as translational, rotation about an axis, reflection across a plane, and inversion through a point. Means these are the symmetry operations. First is about a point. About a point means rotation, reflection, inversion. ठीक है जी. And then by translation as we have studied in the previous articles, so we will not go in the detail of this translational operation. Next also divided into two types, that is not in your syllabus, and that is a very higher study, that is a glide plane, or you can say skew symmetry. So don't go in these details. Then one thing which we have to remember, that translational operation is apply only to lattices. So sometimes questions come in, multiple choice questions come in the JAM and other exams, that which translation operation applied to lattices. So this is the only operation which apply to the lattices. ठीक है जी. And these types of operations, rotation and reflection and inversion through a point, and we write rotation about an axis, ठीक है, reflection across a plane. So these are applied to all objects. Clear? So it repeated in finite times, translational operation, and it repeated finite number of times these. So this is the basic knowledge about this symmetry operations and types of symmetry operations. So we will discuss one by one these operations. So first is a translational operation. So translation operation, as we have discussed in the first article of this chapter. So I draw same diagram there. So this is a crystal structure, and if we the translational symmetry ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ, if we rotate, or you can say we are at point A, we are at point R, ठीक है. So we are at R vector, not point, we are at R vector, and then translate the crystal by capital T, and capital T, you know that the translational vector, and that is equal to n1 A vector plus n2 B vector plus n3 C vector, where A, B, C are fundamental translational vectors, and n1, n2, n3 we know the integer. So we are at R, and we translate the crystal by capital T, and we get a new environment. Around R dash, and that new environment when we see that appears to be same. So this is called translational operation. ठीक है जी. And I also draw another diagram. This is I draw 7. You can say the translational operation applied to this 7. ठीक है, gives a sequence of numbers 7, 7, 7, 7, so on. ठीक है जी. So this is a translation, and distance between these are suppose T, same distance. So that's why we call it repeats a number of times, infinite number of times. So this is a translational operation. Then second operation is the rotation. This is very important, and sometimes one short answer type questions comes from this rotation symmetry. So what is first define what is a rotation symmetry. So from name it is clear that rotation symmetry means when we rotate something. So when we rotate a crystal, about an axis by some angle. So I am drawing this diagram here. I have drawn this diagram here, that if we rotate a crystal about an axis by an angle theta, then leaves it invariant. You can say, if rotation, if you want to define it, if the rotation of a crystal about an axis by some angle theta, leaves it invariant. ठीक है जी, then the symmetry is called rotation symmetry operation. Then it is called rotational operation. Clear जी? So ਜਿਹੜੀ rotation है, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਨਵੇਰੀਐਂਸ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੋਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਇਨਵੇਰੀਐਂਸ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਅੰਡਰ ਰੋਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ we can express this in a integral number of such rotations in a given revolution. ठीक है, so suppose we are rotating the crystal, so theta जिस एंगल ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ रोटेट कर रहे हैं that is equal to 2 pi by n. I am repeating again, invariance under rotation, rotation the under जो invariance है, that can be expressed in an integral number of such rotations. ठीक है, कितनी rotations दे रहे हैं ਅਸੀਂ in a given revolution, means theta is equal to 2 pi by n, and 2 pi we know that is equal to 360 by n, 360 degree by n, where n equal to 1. If we have n equal to 1, suppose n equal to 1, what does it mean? N equal to 1 means theta is equal to 2 pi. ठीक है, if theta is equal to 2 pi means that is equal to 360, then such axis is a identical axis. तो वो axis ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਬੋਲਾਂਗੇ? such axis is a identical axis, means ਆਪਾਂ full rotation ਦਿੱਤੀ, such axis is a identical axis. So please carry to memory this is called a identical axis. So identical axis है, so number of ਜਿਹੜੀ identity axis है can be infinite. So number of identity axis है that can be infinite, means ਆਪਾਂ full rotation देते. So this figure shows that theta एक इन्नी rotation देती है 60 ਦੀ, suppose कर लो theta 60 है, ये 60 ਦੀ rotation देती, then 120, then 120 plus 60, 120 plus 60, 180, then again 60, then 180 plus 60, 240, 240 plus 60, then again 360. Clear जी? And when we rotate n equal to 2, sorry, rotate करांगे 180 नाल. If n equal to 2, then it means that crystal n the value beta 2 put करांगे. When we put here 2, then what we get? Theta is equal to 180. Clear? So 180 means we are rotating through an angle of 180, and in this way the axis has two-fold symmetry. So it is one-fold because equal rotate कर रहे हैं, two-fold. ठीक है, two-fold symmetry. And when there is a two-fold symmetry, such axes are called या is called, क्योंकि क्या होएगा, is called, yes, diode, DIAD, diode axis. So please carry to memory this is identical axis, and when there is a two-fold, then there is a diode axis. ठीक है जी? When we are rotating by when n equal to 3 put करो बच्चे, n equal to 3 put कीती, then what you get? 2 into 180, theta is equal to 2 into 180 by 3, 6. ठीक है, 120 1 n ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ 3 ਪੁੱਟ ਕੀਤਾ 180 no 180 नहीं आना चाहिए ਇੱਥੇ when n equal to 3 when you are putting n equal to 3 then what is the value of theta that is equal to here is 360 na 2 into 360 by 3 ठीक है जी so that is equal to 120 ठीक है 120 because first we are putting n equal to 1 then we are putting n equal to 2 then in third case we are putting n equal to 3 120 so 120 it means it has threefold symmetry and threefold symmetry corresponding ਜਿਹੜੇ axes ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ toroid ਕੀ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ axes ਨੂੰ TRIAD toroid ठीक है जी सो दिस इज थ्री फोल्ड एंड सिमिलरली जो n की वैल्यू बेटा 4 है 4 फोल्ड हो जाएगा n इक्वल टू 4 मीन्स 4 फोल्ड सिमेट्री एंड दिस इज टेट्रा ठीक है and when n equal to 6 now 5 is not present that I will explain you in the next video ठीक है proper with proper proof n equal to 6 means hexade ठीक है so n equal to 1 identical axis 2 means dyad 3 means toroid 4 means tetra and 6 means hexade clear जी so ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ toroid ਨੂੰ ਜੇ ਸ਼ੋ ਕਰਨਾ like this ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ tetra ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੋ ਕਰਨਾ like this you can show and when hexade ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸ਼ੋ ਕਰਨਾ like this ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ clear so this shows the rotational symmetry through an angle this figure also shows two figures so this is a rotational symmetry clear so when we are rotating a crystal by an angle theta that leaves the crystal invariant that is a rotational symmetry so next jari symmetry hai that is we can say reflection symmetry so sometimes question will come that why there is a 1 fold 2 fold 3 fold 4 fold 6 fold symmetry and why not 5 fold that is a proper derivation I will explain you in the next article next video clear ji next ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ reflection symmetry then is a reflection symmetry operation या reflection symmetry ठीक है symmetry operation yes beta reflection symmetry operation from the name clear that what is a reflection symmetry operation yes from the name clear reflection mirror images you can say that okay so when there is a reflection symmetry when you can say that a crystal has a reflection symmetry when we cut the crystal into two exactly similar parts ਦੋ similar parts ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ crystal ਨੂੰ cut ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ then one half is identical to other clear I am repeating again if a crystal possesses a reflection symmetry operation if we cut the crystal into two exactly similar parts then one half is identical to the other half then we can say that the crystal has a reflection symmetry okay or you can also say that according to this symmetry jada one half hai kisi bhi body da that when reflected in the above kisi bhi plane de vich tusi enu reflect karde ho reproduce the other half theek hai so clear so a reflection symmetry when we cut the crystal into two same parts then one half is exactly the same the other half theek hai ji then the crystal is said to be have reflection symmetry you can also show it with the help of a diagram how we can show it with the help of a diagram of a reflection symmetry yes for example we have like this is a suppose I am drawing this triangle or not triangle that is a rectangle then I cut it into two parts like this one is this and we can also cut it from this part then this part is exactly the same of this part A B C D ठीक है, E and F. So A B C D is like बिल्कुल exactly identical to B F E D. Similarly here, ठीक है. So this is a reflection symmetry. Clear? Or you can also say that the plane of mirror is an element of symmetry. Refer to mirror plane. ठीक है, means plane ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ plane of mirror ਆ ਗਿਆ ਨਾ, ठीक है जी. सो ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ rectangles ਹੈ, the rectangles ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ show ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ, that have two planes of mirror symmetry, that have two planes of mirror symmetry, ठीक है. clear जी. so this is called reflection symmetry. This is called reflection symmetry. clear. ਹੁਣ ਜੇ ਇਸੇ triangle ਨੂੰ ਬੇਟਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ diagonally, if you cut it diagonally, ਐਦਾਂ ਕੱਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਹਨੂੰ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ऐदा कट करता, then they are not mirror images of each other. When we cut the rectangle along a diagonal, suppose कर लो diagonal है ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ, then the ਜਿਹੜਾ upper half है ਤੇ lower half है, they are not mirror images of each other. ठीक है. so ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਹ ਵਾਲਾ plane ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ, suppose ਕਰ ਲਓ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੱਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨਾ, ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ diagonal ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਤਾਂ NN ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ mirror plane ਨਹੀਂ, this is not a mirror plane, not a mirror plane. ठीक है. ਹੁਣ mirror plane ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ clear ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਣਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ. This is not a mirror plane, but here these are the mirror planes. ये वाला plane थी, they are the mirror planes. ठीक है. so this is about the reflection symmetry. ठीक है जी. now in reflection symmetry, for example you have a notched wheel. Notched wheel means suppose we have any wheel, तो उसी को wheel ले लिया, ठीक है. clear. डिफरेंट मैं तुहानूं एग्जाम्पल्स दे रही इन्हां दियां, ठीक है. नॉच्ड व्हील आपां ले लिया, ठीक है जी. तो आ जिहड़ा प्लेन है ये लाइन ऑफ, दिस इज कॉल्ड लाइन ऑफ रिफ्लैक्शन सिमेट्री. रिफ्लैक्शन सिमेट्री, ठीक है जी. दिस इज अ लाइन ऑफ रिफ्लैक्शन सिमेट्री, ठीक है जी. ये किहड़ा व्हील ले लिया आपां, नॉच्ड व्हील, ठीक है. clear. This is also reflection symmetry. These are all the examples of you can say reflection symmetry. ठीक है जी. next है कि when reflection symmetry ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਡ ਕਰ ਦਈਏ rotational symmetry ਐਡ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਨੇ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. if we add a rotation symmetry with the reflection symmetry, ਤਾਂ another ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ combinations ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, another combinations बन जाते हैं, ठीक है. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ combination of reflections with allowed rotations. you can say combination of, this is also important beta, MCQs ਆ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, combination of reflections with you can say allowed rotations, ठीक है जी. क्लीयर. कंबाइन जो आप इन्होंने कर दें तो अनदर तुहाडे कोल कंबीनेशनस बन जाते हैं, ठीक है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये 10 बन जाते हो, दे आर उन्होंने डिटेल के तुहानूं करन दी लोड़ नहीं हैगी, ठीक है. सो दीज टू ऑपरेशनस जिहड़े है रोटेशन ते रिफ्लैक्शन जो आप ऐड कर दें जिहड़े दीज टू ऑपरेशनस दे आर ओनली पॉइंट ऑपरेशनस इन टू डिमेंशन. दे आर कॉल्ड पॉइंट, इन्होंने दोनों में आप पॉइंट ऑपरेशनस कहने, पॉइंट ऑपरेशनस इन टू डिमेंशन, पॉइंट ऑपरेशंस इन टू डिमेंशनस. ये भी बेटा याद रखना है, टू डिमेंशनस किहड़े तुहाडे कोल रोटेशन एंड रिफ्लैक्शन इन टू डिमेंशनस. क्लीयर. ठीक है जी. ये जिहड़े दोनों तुहाडे कोल कंबीनेशन है दैट डिटरमिन द टोटल सिमेट्री टाइप्स ऑफ लैटिसेस अबाउट अ पॉइंट, ठीक है. जिवें तुहाडे कोले सिमेट्री है किसी क्यूब दी, सिमेट्री ऑफ अ क्यूब अबाउट इट्स सेंटर, जी आप सेंटर ते क्यूब की सिमेट्री करनी है, इज डिस्क्राइब बाय कलैक्टिंग ऑल द सिमेट्री एलिमेंट्स, ठीक है. सो द ग्रुप ऑफ सच जो सैट ऑफ सिमेट्री ऑपरेशंस है एट अ पॉइंट जो आप लैने उन्होंने कहते हैं पॉइंट ग्रुप. सो ग्रुप ऑफ अ सैट ऑफ सिमेट्री ऑपरेशंस एट अ पॉइंट, ग्रुप ऑफ सैट ऑफ, ये बेटा नोट्स मैं तो नहीं दे रही कि नोट्स तुहानूं बुक्स चों मिल ही जाने, ध्यान नाल इहनूं समझण दी कोशिश करो. द ग्रुप ऑफ सैट ऑफ सिमेट्री ऑपरेशंस, सैट ऑफ symmetry operations at a point इन्हां नूं की बोलते हैं बेटा आपां point group symmetry भी कह सकते हैं ठीक है क्लियर जी सो इन्हां दे नाल ही तुहाडे कोले जिवें दो possible point groups ले ले ठीक है associated with the rotation symmetry with or without reflection symmetry there are therefore total of 10 possible ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ groups ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੇ 2 dimension ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਡਿਟੇਲ ਇੰਨੀ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਹਿ ਲਓ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ 10 ਬੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ 1 ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ ਦੈਨ ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ 2 mm ठीक है जी 3 m then 4 I think 4 mm then 6 ਤੇ 6 mm ठीक है ये बनते हैं means I am repeating again this that two possible ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ rotation ਤੇ reflection symmetry ਨੂੰ ਐਡ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਐਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਅੱਗੋਂ 3 possible 10 ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਗਰੁੱਪਸ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਉਹ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਵਾਲੇ ਆ ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਇੱਥੇ m ਪਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਬੇਟਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਡਬਲ m ਹੈ what does it mean ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫਰਸਟ ਸਿੰਬਲ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਫਰਸਟ ਸਿੰਬਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ that represents the rotation about a point ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਗਰੁੱਪਸ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ 6 contain 6 fold rotations ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਸਿੰਬਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ m ਆ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਸ਼ੋ ਕਰਦਾ ਪਿਆ ਰੈਫਰਸ ਟੂ ਅ ਰਿਫਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਲਾਈਨ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਪੈਰਲਲ ਟੂ ਰੋਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਐਕਸਿਸ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਕਲੀਅਰ फर्स्ट सिंबल की शो करता पाया द फर्स्ट सिंबल रेफर्स टू द रोटेशन अबाउट अ पॉइंट दस अ पॉइंट जी ग्रुप आ 6 contain 6 fold rotations the second symbol है जिहड़ा that refers to a reflection line which is parallel to rotation axis ठीक है जी clear so don't go to the detail of this just इन्ना याद रख लो कि जो combinations होंदा है reflection and rotation da then we have 10 point groups so ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ diagrams ਵੀ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ if you want that then write in the comment box I will explain you all in detail in the next video ठीक है जी then ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਬੇਟਾ last symmetry ਰਹਿ ਗਈ that is a inversion symmetry or inversion center inversion symmetry yes what is a inversion symmetry or inversion center hun jehda crystal hai that is listen carefully the crystal is said to possesses center of symmetry or inversion center if for every lattice point at position r another lattice point at position minus r is also present ठीक है the crystal have a center inversion center जे हर एक lattice point ਦੇ ਲਈ at position r there is another lattice point at position minus r like this if we have this three dimensional if we have this is a three dimensional diagram x y and z and this is we have point P and this is R vector and the x y z ठीक है जी and then there is also another point here like this P dash ठीक है जी and ਇਹਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੋਣਗੇ that are minus x minus y minus z like this is called you can say inversion symmetry this is called a inversion symmetry the crystal have an inversion center if for every lattice point at a position r there is another lattice point at position minus r that is also present then we can say that the crystal has a inversion symmetry ठीक है so operation that is also similar to reflection through a point ठीक है so this is called inversion symmetry ये origin o ले लेने means op ਜਿਹੜਾ op dash ਦੇ equal ਹੋਗਾ ਜੇ vector form ਆਪਾਂ ਲਈਏ ਤਾਂ ठीक है जी, clear? So this is all about the all types of symmetries. Then in the next lecture I will explain you why there is a not a five-fold symmetry is not present. So thank you very much for your patience.